Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Nova 8i and let me show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here. To take burst shot we have to simply tap on the shutter button at the center a little bit longer. Let me show you how it works. And as you can see here we have the countdown and we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way, so our burst shot. To see it, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is the final picture. To see them all we have to move up to this second button from the right, and as you can see here we get access to all of the bursts. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.